In this quick video, I'll show you every possible way to connect your Hisense smart TV to Wi-Fi without a remote, from the simplest universal trick to a few clever workarounds that actually work. Method 1. The universal fix. All right, the easiest and most universal method is to simply use an Ethernet cable. Just plug one end into your TV's LAN port and the other into your router. Even if your Wi-Fi was never turned on before, your Hisense TV will automatically detect the wired internet and connect. No remote, no setup needed. Once it's online, you can download the Hisense Remote Now app or Roku app on your phone, depending on your model, and use your phone as a remote from there. Method 2. Use a USB keyboard or mouse. If the Ethernet trick didn't work or you don't have a cable, no problem. Grab any USB keyboard or even a wireless one with a USB receiver and plug it into the USB port at the back of your TV. Most Hisense TVs instantly recognize keyboards, and you can navigate using the arrow keys or enter key. Go into the network settings menu and connect your Wi-Fi just like you normally would. Method 3. Now here's a smart one. If your TV was previously connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can actually mimic that old connection. All you need is your smartphone. Go into your phone's hotspot settings and rename your hotspot exactly the same as your old Wi-Fi name. Same network name and password. When you turn the TV on, it'll think it's connecting to your old Wi-Fi and connect automatically. Once that's done, open the Hisense Remote Now or Roku app and use it to navigate to your network settings and connect your TV to your new Wi-Fi. For older TVs, if your Hisense TV is an older model with an IR sensor and you've got an Android phone with an IR blaster, you can use an IR remote app from the Play Store. It basically turns your phone into a remote control using infrared, just like the real thing. If your TV has never been connected to Wi-Fi before and there's no Ethernet option, you may need a physical remote to set it up the first time. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this one.